Guys, it's me Luis. Good morning. Today we have a nice day and we're gonna do this nice truck. It's a F250 2018. We'll be placing the glass. I already have everything ready. I'm holding, you know, the camera and the mirror at the same time and the visor because I don't want to get this guy hitting the glass. I have my mongoose, the anchor inside. Also we have the glass already get. It's the OEM. It's already prepared. I put the primer. After 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I cover by my skin dragon just to prevent dust from the tree or something. You know, the environment sometimes is really crude on these days. So now covers in here, over strip the outside, but we're ready. So let me go inside and we're gonna start making this cut. Remember, I'm using my pull trigger, sorry, and will be nice today. Now my line is older, more than probably 10 times I use it, so I'm crossing my fingers. I don't have any problem. Okay, what I did is stick those dash protectors between the foam because this foam is really thick. Sometimes they damage, and I don't want to damage this one. So I'm gonna go slowly, remember, and we're gonna increase the speed. Now this guy, I have to replace it because the chunk is bad. Sometimes they coming up. If in case happen, you know, I have to redo the job again. I mean, I'm saying put this one back in place. We're gonna go slowly. We're gonna start making the cut. Now, what I did, you see my line? My line is crossing, so what I have to do now is stop my drill. Because when I did the line, I was talking with the directors from this place because it's his car, and I lost what was my line, the left or the side. Remember, this is what happened when you don't tie the right side. It's gonna just pull the other one, and you have to just move the anchor. Okay, if you are inside. Outside, you gotta move the system. So that's why I anchor inside today. Let's continue in. There you go, making the cut. Soon I pass that one, I'm going to cover this area. It's the handle, but don't make any problem, just I don't want to just touch any area. Today I'm going to cut single, so I'm going to cut one side and the second side because the line is older. I don't want to stress it too much today if I do the double cut with the same line. Remember, we're the middle, slowly later cut. Reduce and increase the speed. That's the key. The torque will be the job. You can hear the noise. Go down because it's passing the big onion on the bottom. After that, it's making the cut. As you see, my open cell foam is really nice for the dashboard. It's not making any cut. I go slow because the line is older, especially on the top. I don't want to break it, so I'm going to reduce the speed soon I get the top. We're almost there. Reducing the speed, reduce the risk to break my line. There you go. Especially if you want to save money reusing the line. I got it more than 10 times using this line and this way, and it still is working because this is slowly. That's the only key to me to save money in line because it's very expensive, especially with the gravity stops. My glass unfortunately is coming from the OEM, but they didn't give me gravity stop. They're broken. There you go. I'm gonna reduce the speed because probably I'm getting the gravity stop, so I'm gonna pull it slowly and break it. Okay, the line is older. I hope it's gonna make it. I'll never fit it. Okay, this happened because what I did is stop the drill. When this happened to you, just again, okay, because that happened when you go inside, stop the speed, and the light is still on. The drill is dead. I already broke my gravity stop. A little bit more. I'm gonna stop exactly on this point. That's it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go the other side. Remember, restrict this one, restrict all of it, or it's gonna be issues with the power. Okay. So this one right here, loosen the gear, and now I'm gonna pass to the other side. Let me go over there. Okay, I'm gonna just pass my system. Ni cómo ayudarla. Y entonces lo vamos a, we're gonna put this one over here. I'm sorry about that. Oh man. And now we're gonna just set. Alright, there you go. Engage. I'm gonna protect the line. I mean my drill. I don't want to touch it. Soon I pass this area, I can anchor. Right now, I cannot because I don't want to touch my drill. I'm gonna start slowly. This kind of finish on the top is harder. So let me just move this guy over here. I'm gonna pass that guy. I'm gonna use this bigger over here. But it's gonna be a little difficult pass without touching. Okay. All right, we're gonna start it slowly. So I got the wrong side. There you go. Line is older, okay, so I don't want to break it, so I'm going to go slowly. This is normal. The drill want to go up because it's retracting the line. This is the best way you can see where is the force in here. Know the line, because you see it's not a stress, not in the system because it's not moving, but all the stress coming in, transferring to the drill. Okay, it's gonna probably pop a little bit, but I want to just make sure I pass this area. Don't worry about that. There you go, go slow. Now, there's more tension, but not too much. You see, can move it. You see that? Check the noise. You see, got a no stress on your line. I can see coming the line from there. If I let it go, it's coming up. This is when you're going to move the system here or here, but it's going to start retracting this line, okay? Careful there. I go slow because my line is older, okay? If I can increase the speed, I'm finished, but I don't want to break the line. I want to see how many times I can reduce the line using just a single line with okay, we're going to stop this one because now we get this one. I was stuck with you guys. Now what I'm doing here is just pass it. You can go in any spot, probably here. I want to go here, but I got a crack. So remember I say we left this piece retracting, and you're gonna get the line over here. That's why we left a piece of the core more, because now we can just attach and pass that. Okay, now we're gonna start making the cut again. Gonna be the gravity stop. There you go. Broke it. There you go. You see the gravity still coming up. And what I'm doing here, just take them up. Let me just try to get this one out. So I already catch my line. Okay, let me see. Because the glue is coming off, but the gravity stop is stuck right there. Let me just try to go this way. It's not making any damage. It's just Okay, remember retracting this one back over here because I left that one with little power and that killed my drill. I'm gonna go slowly. I'm gonna try to stop this guy, and that way we can just break this guy to stop. I'm making it slowly. You see, it's not damaged. It's not making any damage on the pillar, but it's running it slowly, and not making any damage. This is the glue. Okay. This is really. The pin is back over there. I don't want to make any mark here or something. You see, nothing is stressing, and now you see the line. Both lines are cut in the same way. So let it cut. And the line is really old, more than 10 times. That's why I want to prove how many times I can use it. There you go. It's gonna snap that flip. There you go. And no damage, okay? As you see, this is the gravity. The pin, I couldn't break it because the problem is this guy is coming out from the glue. But you see, there's no damage. Nothing pop, nothing make the damage or hold or bend it. So everything is perfect. Okay guys, so I've already cut out. Remember this one, this is an option, it's my technique, okay? Remember, I never selling or never try to you guys change your mind. This is my technique. This is the way I found better options for me, for my work. But you want to copy or imitate, that's fine, but nobody push, okay? So that's my way to don't stress myself. I can use zip knife, why not? But I don't want to be suffering anymore. I think I suffered too much in the old 80s. For the tools didn't come yet, like today, distractors, all that, and I was suffering too much. So now I don't want to suffer. I just want to do my job in the best way, exciting, relax. My back is good, my arms good, my dolly hands are good. I don't have more pains anymore in my body. That's why I use all these kind of tools. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pull this one so I can clean it and see you in the next shot. First you're gonna set on the wheel, sliding. Okay, get the antenna out. The one is pushing a little bit, not much. I'm gonna go, it's down now. Alright, I'm pushing now. Okay guys, I'm gonna get right there. Now, today I didn't remove this one. Do you see how many wires I have? I don't want to remove those for the lights and the back lights because the last time, a long time I did one and they say I might damage the wire, so I don't want to get charged for that again. So now today I'm gonna go up a little bit. Okay, just pushing. Remember, don't push it down because it's higher, because we have the anchors more close to this way. So just leave it like that. I'm gonna go up here. Okay, and you see it's in a perfect point. Now the only have to do is climb here. Okay, and now what I'm doing is take the anchor out. The glass will go down in place. Put my tape on, and now take the quickset out. This guy is almost inside. Okay, right there. Let me take that guy out. Hold one finger and it's in. The place has to be the same one. Okay, you see it's alignment a little bit more this way, probably up. I mean, there you go. Cut down a little bit. Down. Oh. It's gonna be just up a little bit, not much. It's gonna be in the same distance before. Got like a quarter here, all around, and my tape's alignment perfectly here. Pushing down a little bit, not much. little bit. Now let's watch how the center. Okay, as you see, my tape is perfect alignment with the tapes on the top, and that's it. Okay guys, alright, so we're finished guys. So I'm gonna just put all parts together. Remember, this part is very easy. Many of the Glassmans already knows. This cover is attached around the mirror, the cover on the top, wires, and we finished. Cal, very easy. Remember that the old F250 is always easy, except for those new clips, but after that it's easy. Okay guys, so we're finished. See you in the next shot because I got more jobs to do. See you next time.